with one of my fave. You guys know RPG hair, and I was so delighted to see that I got a gift. Like, what is this? I got a gift. So I'm assuming, you know, it's for, you know, my birthday / the holidays. And RPG hair is so sweet. Like, let's go ahead and see what's inside before we get into anything. China bouquet. Oh, they sent me a little clutch. That's so nice. This is so nice. Thank you, RPG hair. They sent me this cute little clutch. This is gonna go really nicely. I do like the print. Shout out to RPG. See, and I have the little strap here. I am super appreciative. So regular packaging, and then first thing is the wig. Then I got a flyaway tape, my wig cap, my tail comb, and you know, the pamphlet with all the info, how to care for the hair, all that good stuff, showing you how pre-bleached hair look, not pre-bleached knots and pre-plucked knots look, all that good stuff. Oh, so I'm in this updated pamphlet. I'm up top of here. So I am so happy for this because this is one of their next clean lace front hairline. It's so nice. It looks so good. This is actually 22 inches long. It's 180% in density. You don't need to go in any further to pluck this anymore. So this is how it looks. Has 4 combs in total, adjustable straps in the back. Yeah, it feels pretty good. You know, it has that classic straight texture. It is of a silky straight texture. Am I getting shedding? I'm not getting any shedding at the moment, so that's good. And it's full to the tip of the hair, so that's really nice. Yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into application. One thing I can tell you guys, once I apply the wig, something that I noticed right off the bat is how flat it is. Like, it's super flat. That's really nice. For the mid portion here, it could have used a little less plucking. It's a little sparse, but it can be fixed. I'll use my spray to fix it in the front there. So for today's install, I'm actually going to use got2b. I really wanted to do glue, but I know that I'm going to have to change my hair soon again, so I'm going to have to make this a short install. But I absolutely love the hairline. Like, I just hope that I don't ever get any hairline that's less than this from RPG again, because this is the bomb. It's the bomb. It really is.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heart be needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
It's so easy to install this. I'm gonna like over exaggerate. Like it's so easy, because I don't know if it's because it's already laying so flat, it's not bulky, the hair is not getting into the way of me just laying it. It's like really easy to lay and just install overall. As you can see, this is how the hairline looks. You really don't need baby hairs. I remember the first time I did do swoops, and I really want to do swoops today again, but like as you can see, it's not casty, it's well melted, it's a really nice undetectable HD lace. So like you want your lace to look like very undetectable, this is your wig. And from the other day, I've been showing you guys way more of these wigs. I feel like everybody's just upping their game, you know.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh.
It's barely there. I made the baby hair, like the swoop, really thin, because I really wanted this hairline to shine through. That looks so good.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
I'm just gonna jump. You guys see how natural it looks? It looks so natural, because it's not like, even though it's 180% density, they say, it doesn't feel like that heavy, it doesn't feel that dense. To be honest, it feels very lightweight, very manageable. So I feel like that adds to the natural looking effect of things. So I'm just gonna run through this and get it nice and bone straight.
Feel it. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take.
I'm all done with this installation. It is so sleek, It's a 20 out of 10. It is a 20 out of 10. I flat ironed it. Well, I re-straightened it like in no time. It was really easy to just run through and look really nice and sleek and straight. So shout out to them, man. Like, it's beautiful. It's honestly beautiful. It's that kind of wig you wear if, you know, for that timeless occasion. And I really want to say wedding, but there's so many other occasions that you can have to that, you know, it's timeless. It could be specific photo shoots, just something timeless that you want to have for years to come, and it looks really flawless. This, nobody not gonna say our wig. No, it looks really natural, so I have to give it to them for constantly maintaining quality and upping their quality as well. So yeah, I'm going to be sure to put all the information on this wig in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. Excuse the barking in the background, please. But yeah, I'm going to be sure to drop that info down below, so go ahead and check that out. Also, the direct link to this wig will definitely be down there. Shout out to RPG once more. Thanks again for my gift. Yeah, that's it for today's wig look, today's wig slay. You know, quality is on 20. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel as well, PETITE-SUE TV. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.
Fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in.